Join me as I dive into the world of property investment to see if buy-to-let can still make you money in 2025. Buy-to-let properties have long been a popular choice for investors, offering a relatively stable and lucrative way to generate passive income. But as we head into 2025, many investors are starting to wonder if this strategy is still as viable as it once was. The answer is no, it's not. Rising interest rates have made it more expensive for landlords to borrow money, cutting into their profit margins. Changes to the tax laws, such as phasing out of mortgage interest relief, have also eaten away at the returns on investment. And in some areas, the market is becoming increasingly saturated, making it harder to find properties that will generate a decent yield. Add to this the fact that the UK property market has been experiencing a slowdown in recent years, and it's clear that buy-to-let investors are facing a perfect storm of challenges. It's no wonder that many are starting to reconsider their strategies and wonder if it's still worth investing in this sector. The buy-to-let market is a complex beast with many different factors at play. One of the biggest considerations is the potential rental yield. This will vary depending on the location, the property type and the condition, as well as the level of demand in the area. Generally speaking, investors can expect to generate between 4 and 6% per year in rental income, although this can vary significantly. Another key factor is the cost of property management. This can include things like maintenance, repairs and agency fees and can quickly add up. According to some estimates, these costs can easily eat up more than 30% of the investor's rental income, leaving them with a significantly reduced return on investment. So the economy also plays a huge role in the performance of the buy-to-let market. Economic downturns can lead to a decrease in property values, making it harder for investors to sell their properties for a profit. And with the UK's economic outlook uncertain, it's clear that this is a major risk for buy-to-let investors. Despite these challenges, there are still some areas of the country where buy-to-let can be a lucrative investment. For example, certain regions in the north of England are experiencing rapid growth, driven by government investment and regeneration projects. Properties in these areas can offer significantly higher yields than those in more established areas. So what's the key insight that's changed my perspective on buy-to-let investing in 2024? Leading into 2025. It's this: while the challenges facing investors are real, there are still opportunities to be had for those who are willing to put in the research and effort. It's no longer a case of simply buying any old property and watching the money roll in. Investors need to be more strategic and targeted in their approach. According to experts, the key to success in 2025 will be to focus on areas with high demand and limited supply, such as cities with growing universities or major infrastructure projects, hospitals possibly. It's also crucial to factor in the costs of property management and maintenance and to have a clear exit strategy in place. By taking a more nuanced and informed approach, investors can still generate a decent return on investment in the buy-to-let market. It's not going to be easy, but for those who are willing to put in the work, the rewards are still there to be had. So there you have it, my take on whether buy-to-let is still a viable investment strategy in 2025. While the challenges are real, I believe that with the right approach, investors can still make money in the sector, but you have to be careful about choosing the right property in the right location, and it doesn't work all over the country. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts on buy-to-let investments in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on property investment strategies and development strategies. If you're interested in talking to me about any property problems that you have, don't hesitate to call me. That's Alan on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.